One step forward and another back. I would never try to pull ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you look like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me.
Raining again. Walking alone in this rainy season. My pants are already wet. My shoes is already wet. It's okay. It's okay. Look at this. Right. I am alone. We're home. And the doggo is so cutie. Aww. Aww. With me. Aww. Cute cutie. Cutie cutie. Hi. You're so taba. You're so fat. Look at you. Oh. Up, 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 up. Ayaw na. High five, high five, high five. High five. Good girl. You're so cutie.
Di ka man eh. Bakit na mga nakoy patay? Maubos sa kanin.
My grandfather died, so we're here at the province right now, and they're having like prayer outside, and we're not in the same religion zone. But I wanna go home already. I've been on the car for like the whole day. Yeah, I still look so fresh. I wanna go home. So I'm lying here, and I wanna go already. Good morning, guys. I just woke up. Bless me. So we're still in the province, and I just woke up, and right now I am making the bed. I'm the last one to woke up. And we're on other, I don't know, we're on our relative's house, because the house is where the funeral is happening right now. And look, it's a pretty neat place, so it looks like we checked in a hotel, but I had a good sleep. I hope you too had a good sleep. And first thing in the morning, what I did is, yeah, I played Rubik's Cube because it's been a while. I just want to practice my mind so I won't forget how to do it. Actually, I already forgot, but I know it again. I learned it again. That's it. We're at the river banks. It's a bit too hot for me. I forgot my glasses. It's a car. What is happening? I've been standing at the edge of the water long as I can remember. So these are the different types of rocks. Okay? So first is we have a sedimentary rock. Okay? Sedimentary kasi composed siya ng iba-ibang mga rocks like this. Yan. Tapos nagdikit-dikit lang sila, tumigas, naging rock siya. So, yeah, that is sedimentary rock. Meron ding igneous rock. Hindi ko alam kung ano igneous rock. Tapos may isa pa, nakalimutan ko din tawag. Ang galing! Sedimentary.
Cookies and cream yan.
Cookies and cream rock. They're kind of
sa ilo kung hindi kayo maliligo.
Maligo ka ba?
Hindi.
Naglitak? Ang kumangag, ang kumakita. Naglitak. Nay, video man.
Suna tigit ito dyan. Ano pa? Dala kayo sa dala kayo.
Kaligang dala kayo.
Dala ko ang TV. Tanong gano'n na tayo. Minanaw ko na gano'n.
Madi. Madi. This is my job. Oh my gosh. So, bibili tayo ng choose to go. Oo, meron. Kasama si Nana. Tagal ng biyahe. Nagkuliglig man.
It's just me, myself, and I. Don't need anyone else to be helping me to get so high. I create my own destiny. Oh, 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 oh. I don't need a hand to hold.
Bawa.
Ito. Kahit mga magpapit.
Always been clear of my scars. I give myself euphoria. No one here to hold me back.
that's the end of our live snippet series. And thank you for watching. We just got back home last night at 1 a.m. So there are a lot of things that we need to do, like this one, my bed. And see you guys on the next one. Bye.